Report sang hi so panga khan China scientist ten coronavirus weapon. Weekend Australian report danin sang hi so panga pandemic lo chua ma dei to khan documenta China scientist le health official te chuan SARS coronavirus through new era of genetic weapon atan anlo da dei to ni. Paper title The Unnatural Origin of SARS and New Species of Man-Made Virus Genetic Bioweapon chuan World War III biological weapon a indona ani yang atini. He document in atar landan atangin Chinese military te chuan SARS coronavirus hi weapon chikhatan anman anlo soidi to ni. Paper jining the executive director of the Australian Strategic Policy Institute ASPI chuan news.com.au nena he document hi smoking guns neighbor to aloti hial ani he thil hirin tlak na taka oma omin ka shia Chinese scientist ten sipai chakna chidang chiman anril ro ring strain of the coronavirus hi antir chuatum ani theini wase he pathogen hi tu na chuan accident a chuapal ani thei in anring ani. Robert Porter, cybersecurity specialist, Chinese government documents leak chui tu thutlok na chiang tak le confident kan nei dan chuan document ami hi fake ani lo ma se he thil serious je hi chui chen anga yang China hian peibo an tumang tuna chuan thei chin china an thup to anti ni.